is the favorite ceremony of our school seniors. My name is Anas. I would like to give a speech at the favorite ceremony. I feel very fortunate and honored to have the opportunity to deliver a speech in the farewell day. I want to congratulate all my seniors for bright career and hard work. I would like to share my happy and sweet moment with senior. Thank
All the best for brothers and sisters.
Best 10 brothers and sisters. Sisters and brothers. All the best 10 brothers and sisters.
Open. Right shoulder. The face level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The stomach level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take this position. The oracle punch. 10. The front elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. The front elbow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it. Katanin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,